So you're looking for a new mattress. Maybe you're looking for something for an extra room. Maybe you're replacing what you've got already because it's worn out and you're here. So that means you're not quite sure about what sort of mattress you want to go with. And that's all right. In today's video, we're going to be talking about hybrid mattresses and why they might be one of the best options for you. Buying a mattress is seldom something people really look forward to doing. After all, how long has it been since you actually thought of it? A lot of people come in and it's been quite a while, 15, 20 years a lot of times before they've replaced a mattress. And I know I used to think I could sleep on just about anything, and for a while I did. But mattress technology really has advanced pretty rapidly in the past even couple of years. I'm Vincent Smith, I'm a bedding specialist here at Furniture Fair, and in today's video we're going to be discussing the construction of hybrid mattresses, the benefits of hybrid mattresses, along with some of the drawbacks. We will also go over what the price range is on hybrid mattresses and what you can do if you have any further questions or concerns. In short, a hybrid mattress is the best of both worlds. It's a combination of what both innerspring and memory foam mattresses have to offer. While they don't have quite as much thickness to the springs, which means a little bit less support than an innerspring, they have the comfort layers at the top that a memory foam mattress does, combining the two advantages. Hybrid mattresses, being a combination of the two different mattress types, have all of the according terms to go along with them. That can make looking for a good one a little bit more complicated. Now, not only do you have to worry about things like just foam or just the steel and the springs, you have to look for things like coil count and gauge and the type of spring for the springs inside, as well as the durability and type of the memory foam on the top. Fortunately for you, though, we have videos out there on both memory foam and innerspring mattresses that get a little bit more into the terminology and differences between those two different mattress types. A good place to start with a hybrid mattress is the construction. From the bottom up, you have innersprings, just like an innerspring mattress. They tend to take up about 60% of the mattress, and they can vary in all the same ways that an innerspring mattress can vary. You can have wire-wrapped springs, just like in the Beautyrest Black series or the X-Class specifically for their hybrid mattresses. You can have standard wire springs. Some have a rim, though those are very, very uncommon. Most have pocketed coil springs, which I consider a plus. They also have similar edge support to an innerspring mattress. Definitely an advantage over other mattress types. Above this, they have a buffer, kind of like an innerspring mattress does, kind of like some memory foam mattresses do. They call this a high core. This is a layer of memory foam that's more similar in density to the core in a standard memory foam mattress, so similar to what's in an innerspring. This serves as a buffer between the springs and the comfort layers at the top, make sure they don't wear prematurely, also make sure that you don't actually feel any of those springs, even in a high coil count hybrid mattress. Above this layer of sort of buffer, the denser memory foam, usually something latex-based, are usually one or two layers of gel foam. This gel foam serves the same function as it does in a memory foam mattress, pressure relief. It enables the mattress to conform to the shape of your body really, really well, distribute your weight efficiently through the whole mattress instead of concentrating it around the points in your body where there is the most weight. This is something especially helpful for side and back sleepers. Above this, there's usually one or two, in higher-end hybrid mattresses, of cooling foam. We mentioned this a little bit in our memory foam video, if you've seen that already, where they use a carbon fiber or usually polymer impregnated memory foam, which is particularly porous, allows air to move through the mattress to cool the mattress down, usually in combination with a perforated cover on top of the mattress that enables that air to flow through and heat to radiate away from the mattress in it. Hybrid mattresses tend to vary in the same ways that a lot of memory foam and innerspring mattresses do, especially when it comes to materials. For example, a hybrid mattress from Sealy tends to use similar springs to the springs from a Sealy innerspring mattress like the Posturepedic. They also tend to use very similar memory foam to the same manufacturers. So a lot of the time, if you have a hybrid mattress from a company, it tends to have the same advantages and disadvantages as either of the mattresses from their independent lines of mattress, innerspring or memory foam. Hybrid mattresses, being a combination of the two other main mattress types, innerspring and memory foam, have a lot of benefits to them specific to either type. For example, they do an excellent job of conforming to the shape of your body, relieving pressure just like a memory foam mattress does. And they also have that very quick responding, excellent support that an innerspring mattress gives you. A true hybrid mattress is usually about a 60-40 mix of springs and memory foam respectively. They have a full memory foam series of layers that make up the comfort system and full springs that make up the support system along with a high core. Since hybrid mattresses tend to almost always use pocketed inner springs rather than a wire rim to support them, they almost all are compatible with adjustable bases as well. It's not really something you have to worry about too much with a hybrid mattress. In addition, they also do an excellent job of isolating motion because of the thick memory foam layer at the top and the core-like high core above the inner springs. So with an inner spring mattress, you may have a little bit more vibration if, say, a partner rolls over on the bed. Hybrid mattress does a good job of mitigating that. Hybrid mattresses, being a combination of innerspring and memory foam mattresses, have some unique drawbacks to them as well. They tend to, because of the memory foam at the top, just like with a memory foam mattress, hold on to heat a little bit longer. While new advances in memory foam have mitigated that problem to a certain extent, they still breathe a little bit less than your standard innerspring mattresses. Also, since they tend to combine the heavier aspects of one mattress type or the other, hybrid mattresses tend to weigh a little bit more. If that's a concern, you have to get a mattress up to the 3rd floor or move it around a lot between rooms. That might be something to consider. In addition, the longer manufacturing process, having to put both springs and foam into a mattress, means they tend to start out at a little bit higher price point than your average either innerspring or memory foam mattress. Hybrid mattresses tend to have a little bit more condensed price range than innerspring mattresses or memory foam mattresses do, being a combination of both technologies. They usually start at around $1,300, and once you get up to around the $2,000 range, you can start to see features like multi-zone support, something that normally only innerspring mattresses bring to the table, as well as extra cooling and gel foam layers that can give you a little bit better body conformation. After around the $2,000 price range, there aren't too many other sort of noticeable tiers where large features get added. It really is just a matter of increasing quality of materials. However, around the $2,300 range, you will start to see things like wire-wrapped springs that increase the durability of your support system a little bit more. Hybrid mattresses truly are a blend of the technologies used in both innerspring and memory foam mattresses. So I'd highly recommend you check out our videos on both of those types, get a little bit more information, more knowledge on the sort of terminology that a sales associate might use when talking about the type. If you have other questions about hybrid mattresses, maybe something about a specific model or something we didn't cover in our memory foam mattresses video or our innerspring mattresses video, feel free to call into one of our 11 locations or use live chat to speak with one of our online sales consultants. You can also set up an appointment with one of our bedding specialists at one of our locations where we can fit you to a mattress that works right for you. Well, that's all I got. I'll see you in the next one.